How to create custom workouts on any fitness app. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the fitness application on your device. Here I'm using Google Fit. So as I launch the Google Fit application, what you simply need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see the option of add activity, select on it. And as I tap on add activity, simply select on the title over here. And let's just say it's workout. Now you can select on activity and you can select whichever is more convenient for you. So if you want to select hiking for now, let's just select hiking, then tap on the time over here or date as well. So you can simply select the date. So let's select any sort of date over here for now and then tap on the time as well. You can add the duration and then simply tap on save. So this way you'll be able to create custom workouts on your fitness applications. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.